Hello everyone and welcome back to the Scrap Zone. I'm Julie and in this video I'm going to share with you my reimagined layout using the adventure key from the Everyday Moments Cricut collection from Close to My Heart. If you haven't seen the first video, I'll link it down below. So first I did a little bit of pre-assembly and I've assembled all of these little Cricut pieces, and we're going to go ahead here and put together this beautiful double page layout. The first thing I did is I used that awesome image, the starburst I'm going to call it, and I've cut it and sliced it into a circle, and it's going to be the focal point of the left hand side. The easiest way to put down this image is to use liquid glue. I just found that by adding a little bit of liquid glue to all of these pieces, when you lay it down, it's just easier to maneuver and put into place. But this piece was sized perfectly in Design Space and it fits right in the center of half of that page. Now this second piece here, the easiest way I found to put this one down was to glue the center and then just add liquid glue to all those long pieces and they just fall into place perfectly. Now if you're like me, you love seeing a variety of examples using the same basic design. Another one of our creative design team member has gone ahead and has used the adventure layout and turned it into a 12 by 12 single page layout. I'm going to link Kathy's video down below. Be sure to check it out. Here I'm showing you that I've used again that sunburst, that's what I'm calling it, and I've shrunk it down to about 2 inches, and I'm going to use it as a nice border on the right hand side of this page. Now as I was doing the voiceover, I realized here that I forgot to mention that I actually sliced the title together. So all of these letters come in 2 pieces, and in the original design the smaller piece is adhered on top, and in this design here I decided to slice them together. I just felt that it made it a lot easier when you were adhering them down. So that's a little change that I've done to this layout to make it go faster and easier. So I'm going to add all of my little pieces here just to make sure that I've got them all situated, because I did duplicate a lot of the same images. Now if you love this design, I will leave my Design Space file link below. You can grab it and create your very own. In addition, if you don't have this awesome Cricut collection, you can just click on my affiliate link to get started on creating these beautiful projects. So we're almost done here. I've gone ahead and I've assembled a lot of the page, and I'm using a lot of 3D foam tape because I just find that is the easiest way to elevate any design or any layouts that you're working on. So it's a really nice tip. And here's another one here. So if you want to add a little bit of twine, so this is something I had in my stash and it actually matches. It's sapphire twine. I've gone ahead and I've rolled it on my fingers. I've picked up a little glue dot and I kind of squished it together at the end, and I just tucked it right underneath that element. Now, like every other design that I do or layouts, I always like to add a little bit of embellishment, and I thought here that I was going to add them randomly, and then it's like, no, there's enough going on this page. I'm just going to ground this right hand picture right here, and then I'm going to do the same on the left hand side. And now here you have it, my completed reimagined double page layout that started from this original 11 by 8.5 format in Design Space. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that little gray bell to get notified on all of my future projects, and next up here is the original layout just in case you missed it. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.